Next question number 31. A boat can travel 32.9 kilometers downstream in 7 minutes when the speed of the river current is 3.2 kilometers per hour. How much distance the boat can cover in 80 minutes while traveling upstream or downstream? Upstream. By adding an extra engine, its speed in still water is increased by how much? 2.2 kilometers per hour. Means second time boat speed is increased by how much? 2.2 kilometers per hour. And what is the question? We required which one time, which one distance? Upstream distance or downstream distance? Upstream distance. Upstream distance means speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. Upstream speed into time or not? Okay. First of all, what the downstream distance are given? 32.9. This one we written 329 by 10 or not? 329 by 10. How much time are taken? 70 minutes. 70 minutes means we written into 60 by 70 or not? Distance by time, it is equal to which one? Speed. That speed are equal to m plus s or m minus s? M plus s, because it is downstream speed or upstream speed? Downstream speed. 0, 0 cancel. Next is 7, how many times? 329. 7 4s again 7 or not? 47 into 6 by 10 or not? 640 is how much? 240. 6 7s 42. 282. 282 by 10 means 28.2 kilometers per hour or not? It is m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. In that, speed of the stream is given how much? 3.2 kilometers per hour. Means s value is 3.2 or not? S value 3.2 means then m value are how much? 25 or not? M value 25. But next time m value is increased by how much? 2.2. Already m value 25. 2.2 are increased means plus 2.2 or minus 2.2? Plus 2.2. Overall m value is 27.2 or not? Okay. What is the speed of the stream? 3.2. What is the speed of the boat? 27.2. We required downstream distance or upstream distance? Upstream distance. Upstream distance means speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. Upstream speed means m minus s or m plus s? M minus s. 27.2 and 3.2. What is the difference? 24 into how much time are taken? 80 minutes or not? 80 minutes means we return into 80 by 60 or not? Zeros are cancelled. 6 how many times? 4 times. 4 8s how much? 32. Kilometers or kilometer per hour? Kilometers. Which option? Fifth option or not? Next question number 32. Next question number 32. A room is, question number 32. A room is given on rent at a cost of 67,200 at 112 rupees per square feet. The length of the room is 12 feet more than the breadth. How much does the breadth of the room measure or not? Okay. And here, what is the total cost? Total cost 67,200. Every square feet is how many rupees? 112. Total cost is 67,200. Every square feet cost 112 or not? Total cost by per square feet cost, we are get the number of square feet or not? That number of square feet equal to area of the rectangle or not? Area of the rectangle means length into breadth or not? Length into breadth. 112 how many times? Almost 6 times or not? Nothing but it is 600. Length into breadth are 600. And one more, length of a room is 12 feet more than the which one? Breadth. Means L minus B equal to how much value? 12 or not? L minus B value 12. L into B 600, L minus B value 12. Solving we are get the L comma B values or not. Okay. What is the question we required? Breadth value or length value? Breadth value. Next. 33. At A's present age is 2/3 of which one? B's present age, and B is 5 years older than which one? C. 5 years ago, the ratio of A's age to the B's age is how much? 5:8. What is C present or B present? C present. First of all, A is 2/3 of which one? B present. 5 years, B is 5 years older than C, and 5 years back A and B ratio are which one? 5:8. 5 years back ratio are 5:8. What is the present ratio of A and B? 2:3 or not? 2:3. 5 years back 5:8. At present are 2:3. Past how many parts difference? 3 parts. But at present 1 part difference or not? Then present ratio is multiplied by 3 times or 4 times? 3 times. 3 2s are how much? 6. 3 3s are 9 or not? Either 2:3 or 6:9. Both are in same or not? Okay. 5 years back A was 5 parts. At present are 6 parts. How many parts are increased? 1 part. Then every 1 part we written how many years? 5 years or not? Every 1 part are 5 years. What is the B present value? How many parts? 9 parts. 1 part 5 years means 9 parts are 45 years. But we required which one present age? C present age. B is 5 years older than C means B must be, sorry, C is how many years? 40 years or not? B 45, then C are how much? 40 or not? B is 5 years older than which one? C. Already B value 45 means C must be 40 or not? 40 or 45? 40. Next, 34. The male and female population of a village is double the population of which one? Children in the same village. After 2 years, the population of male will be 15,246, increasing at a constant rate of 10% per year. If the present population of a children is 15,224, what the number of children are given? 15,224 or not? And what is the present female population or male population? Female population. What is the first condition? Male and female population is double the which one? Children value or not? Already children value 15,224. Double the 15,224, we are get the sum of the which one? Male plus female or not? Male plus female. What is the 15 double? 30. 22 double? 44. 4 double? 8 or not? Then sum of the male and female is 30,448. And one more, after 2 years, the population of male will be how much? 15,246. But every year how much percent are increased? 10%. Successive increased by 10% or not? Nothing but compound interest 10% for 2 years or not? 10% for 2 years means 21%. Before increased how much percent? 100%. After increased 121% or not? Means 2 years back male population are 100%. At present are how much? 121. That 121% equal to how much value are given? 15,246. Solving this one, we are get the male value or female value? Male value or not? 121. 11 how many times? 11 times. 152. 11 ones are remaining 42. 42 means 3 times. What is the remaining value? 9. 94 means how many times? 8 times. Again 6 times or not? Again 1386 means 11 how many times? 1, 2, 6 or not? It is 12,600. That value are male value or female value? Male value. Then male population is 12,600 or not? But male plus female 30,448. But we required which one population? Female population or not? These two are subtracting or adding? Subtracting. Last digit 8, 4, 14 minus 6, 8. Then last 3 digits are 848. How many options? Only second option or not? Here male and female value is double the which one? Children value or not? Next 35. A certain sum of money when invested in a scheme amounts to 13,775 in how many years? 3 years. And 19,475 in how many years? 7 years. The scheme offers simple interest per annum. What was the sum is invested in scheme or not? What the first case time? 3 years. Second case time? 7 years. How many years are increased? 4 years. Increase nothing but interest or not? In simple interest, compound interest case, increased value nothing but interest value or not? From 3 years to 7 years, how many years are increased? 4 years. But value wise, how much value are increased? Difference between 13,775 and 19,475. That is the increased value or not? Okay. What is the difference? Last two digits are zeros. 14 minus 7. How much? 7 or not? Next, 18 minus 13. 5 or not? It is 5,700. 4 years 5,700 are increased or decreased? Increased. 4 years 5,700. Then 1 year how much value are increased? 1, 4, 2, 5 or not? Every year how much value are increased? 1, 4, 2, 5. 1 year 1, 4, 2, 5 are increased. Then 3 years how much value are increased? 4, 2, 7, 5 or not? 4, 2, 7, 5 is the how many years interest? 3 years interest or only 1 year interest? 3 years interest. Already we know the 3 years amount or not? What is the 3 years amount? 13,775. What is the 3 years interest? 4275. These two are subtracting, we are get the principal value or amount value? Principal value. What is the amount value? 13,775. In that interest value is how much? 4275. These two are subtracting, we are get the which one? Principal or not? What are the last two digits? Zeros. 7 minus 2, 5. 13 minus 4, 9. It is 9,500. Next question number 36. A man saved 15% and 20% of his annual income in 2 schemes. Next year his income is raised by how much percent? 10% on his previous annual income. If he saves the same percent of his income in both the schemes and he was left with how many rupees? 27.17. Left with 27.17. Nothing but it is after saving or before saving? After saving. And what is the question here? What is his actual income or not? Suppose his initial income we treated as 100%. Initial income are 100%. Out of income how much percent are saving? 15 plus 20. 35% are saving or not? But next time his income is increased by how much percent? 10%. If income are increased by 10% means savings also increased by 10% or not? Income is increased by 10% means savings also increased by 10%. What is the 35% of 10? 3.5. 35 plus 3.5. 38.5 or not? That 38.5 is the new saving or new expenditure? New saving. But new income is how much? 110 or not? New income are 110%. New savings are 38.5% or not? What is the remaining value? Out of 110, 38.5 are saving means remaining value is expenditure or not? 110 minus 38.5. What is the remaining value? 71.5% or not? 71.5%. But in place of 71.5%, how much value are given? 27.17 lakhs. But we required annual income or not? Means how much percent we need? 100%. Then this one we written 100 by 71.5 into how much value? 2717 by 100 or not? 71.5% equal to how much value? 27.17. But we required how much percent? 100%. Numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros are cancelled or not? Okay. 71.5. What is the double? 143. 143 means 11 multiple and 13 multiple or not? Okay. 11 how many times? 71. 6 times or not? Remaining value 5.5 or not? Nothing but 5 times or not? Next 27. 11 how many times? 2 times. Remaining 51. 4 times. Remaining 77. How many times? 7 times or not? Again 6.5 means we return 13 by 2 or not? 13 by 2. 13 how many times? 247. 1 time. Again 9 times or not? 13 ones are 13. Remaining value 117. 117 means how many times? 19 times or not? But 6.5 means 13 how many times? Half time or double time? Half time. Then answer is 19 by 1 by 2 or not? It is equal to how much? 38. Means it is 38 lakhs or 38 lakhs? 38 lakhs. Next question number 37. The working efficiency of ABC are given 5:4:6. If B alone complete the work in how many days? 15 days. In how many days all together can finish the same work or different work? Same work. What is the B efficiency? 4 parts. What is the B time? 15 days. Efficiency into time, we are get the work or not? The same work will be completed by all together or only one person? All together. All together means 3 persons efficiency or only 1 person? 3 persons. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Means total efficiency of 3 persons is how much? 15. We required 3 persons time or only 1 person time? 3 persons time. Means 15 into T or 15 plus T? 15 into T. Left hand side efficiency into time. Right hand side also efficiency into time. 15 get cancelled or not? Answer 4. Next question number 38. A square of diagonal is 40 meters. The perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. If the difference between the length and breadth of a rectangle is 16 root 2 meters, what is the area of the rectangle? Difference between the length and breadth of a rectangle is 16 root 2 meters. First one, square diagonal is given how much? 40 meters. What is the square diagonal formula? Root 2 into A. It is equal to how much value? 40 or not? Root 2 into A equal to 40 means A value or 20 root 2 or not? 40 nothing but we return 20 into 2 or not? Again 2 nothing but we return root 2 into root 2 or not? Left hand side root 2, right hand side root 2 cancel. Then A equal to how much value? 20 root 2. And the perimeter of a square is also equal to the which one? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a square? 4A or not? What is the A value? 20 root 2. It is also equal to perimeter of a which one? Rectangle. What is the rectangular perimeter? 2 of L plus B or L minus B? L plus B. 2 how many times? 20. 10 times. 4 into 10, 42. Then L plus B value is how much? 40 root 2 or not? Already we know L minus B is how much? 16 root 2 or not? L plus B 40 root 2, L minus B 16 root 2. If you required L value, both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. 40 plus 16, 56. By 2 means 28. Then length of a rectangle is 28 root 2. Length value 28 means breadth value 12 or not? Breadth value is how much? 12 root 2 or not? Length value 28 root 2, then breadth value 12 root 2. But we required area of the rectangle or not? Area means length into breadth. 28 root 2 into how much value? 12 root 2 or not? Okay. Root 2 into root 2. 2. 28 into 12 into 2 or not? 12 2s are how much? 24. 28 into 24 means it is 26 square minus 2 square or not? 26 square 676. 2 square 4. Difference 672. R, what is the diagonal value? 40 means 4 multiple or not. Next, difference is how much? 16 root 2. It is also 4 multiple or not. How many options are 4 multiples? First option is 4 multiple. No. Second one, yes. Third one, no. 650 is exactly divisible by 4. No. 675, no. 850, no. Then answer 672. 28 into 24 means ending with 2 or not. Next question number 39. The compound interest compounded annually on a certain sum of money for 2 years at the rate of 20% per annum is 1232. What would be the simple interest on the same sum of money for 5 years at 11% per annum or not? Okay. What is the rate of percent in simple compound interest? 20%. For how many years are given? 2 years. 20% for 2 years means what is the compound interest? 44%. But in place of 44%, how much value are given? 1232. Next, what would be the simple interest or not? What is the rate of percent in simple interest? 11%. How many years are given? 5 years. 11% for 5 years means 55% or not? 55%. We required 55% value or not? Okay. 11 how many times? 4 times. 11 how many times? 5 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2. It is 11 multiple or not? Answer also 11 multiple. First option, no. Second option, no. Third option, no. Fourth one, no. Obviously, fifth one or not? Normally, 55% means it is 11 multiple or not? How many options are 11 multiples? Only one. Next, 40. A man completed his journey is 7 by 2 hours. If he traveled half of the journey by a motorcycle at the speed of 48 km per hour and the remaining half by bus at the speed of 36 km per hour. Suppose total distance are d kilometers. In that first time d by 2, second time also d by 2 or not? Equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. First half and second half, both are adding, it is total distance or not? And how much time did the bus take to traveling at the speed of 36 km per hour in the journey or not? Means we required second case time or first case time? Second case or first case? Second case. Okay. What are the speeds are given? 48, another one 36. What is the LCM of 48 comma 36? What is the largest number? 48. It is not divisible by 36 or not? LCM is always equal to largest number or multiples of largest number. 48 2 times 96, not divisible by 36. 48 3 times 144 or not? That 144 is exactly divisible by 36 or not? Then distance value written how many kilometers? 144. What is the half of the 144? 72. Because total distance are 144, half means how much? 72. First case distance are 72, then remaining distance also how much? 72 or not? First one distance 72, second one distance also 72. But we required second case time or first case time? Second case time. What is the second case distance? 72. What is the second case speed? 36. Then time will be 2 hours or not? Okay. Which option? Fifth option. 7 by 2 means it is 3.5 hours or not? 72 by 48 means it is 3 by 2 or not? 3 by 2 means 1.5 hour or 2 hours? 1.5 hour or not? First case time 1.5 hour. Second case time 2 hours. Total time 3 hours. If we require time means we return distance by speed or distance by time? Distance by speed. 72 kilometers with a speed of 36 km per hour. How much time are taken? 2 hours. Next 41. Pie chart are given. Question number 41. What is the total number of students? 6,800. All the data are given in degrees or percentage? Degrees. What is the first question? What is the difference between the total number of students who prefer average A and C together and total number of students D and F together or not? What is the A value? 79.2. What is the C value? 14.4. Both are adding 94.93. 93.6. Next, what is the D and F value? What is the D value? 122.4. F value 21.6. Both are adding 144 or not? 144. We require difference or sum? Difference. What is the difference in degrees? Compared to 100, it is 6.4 or less or not? Compared to 100, 144, how much value are more? 44 more. 44 plus 6.4. Total it is 50.4 or not? Then 50.4 is the degrees or percentage? Degrees. 50.4 by total how many degrees? 360 degrees. 50.4 by 360. What is the 360 degrees value? 6,800. 360 degrees are 6,800, but we required how many degrees? 50.4. And this one, 2 zeros are cancelled or not? 50.4 means we written 504 by 10 or not? 504 by 10. Denominator 2 zeros, numerator also 2 zeros. Both are cancelled or not? 4 how many times? 36. 9 times. 4 how many times? 68. 17 or not? Okay. Again 9 how many times? 50. 5 times. 6 times or not? 9 5s are 45, remaining 54. How many times? 6 times. Then answer 56 into 17 or not? 6 into 7 ending with 2. How many options? Only one or not? 850, 112. 850, 1 or 2. Next question number 42. We required ratio or sum? Ratio. What is the F value? 21.6. What is the A value? 79.2. This one we written 216 by 792 or not? Ratio nothing but either A is to B or A by B. 216 by 792. Actually 21.6 and 79.2. 792 means we written 720 plus 72 or not? 720 plus 72 or not? Okay. 72, 720 how many times? 10 times. 72 one time or not? And numerator 72 how many times? 3 times or not? 72 3 how much? 216 or not? Denominator 72 how many times? 11 times. Then ratio are 3 is to 11. 792 it is 11 multiple or not? How many times are 11 divisible? 11 into 72 or not? There is 216 divisible by 11? No, obviously 216 is divisible by which one? 72 or not? Denominator 792, it is written 11 into 72 or not? But numerator is not divisible by 11 means numerator must be divisible by 72 or not? Okay, then numerator is 72 how many times? 3 times. But denominator how many times? 11 times. Next question number 43. The number of students who prefer average E and F together is what percent of total number of students or not? What is the E degrees? 64.8. What is the F value? 21.6. Both are adding 86.4 or not? Converted to which one? 86.4 is degrees or not? 86.4 by 360. It is the fraction or not? Converted to which one? Percent. multiplied by 100 or not. This one we written 864 by 36 or not. 864 by 36. 36 2 times how much? 72. What is the remaining value? 144 times. Then answer 24. Next question number 44. The number of students who prefer C is approximately what percent of number of students who prefer beverage D or not? Nothing but we required C is what percent of D or not? What is the C value? 14.4. This one we written 144 or not? Next, what is the D value? 122.4. This one we written 1224. Converted to percent or value? Percent. Then multiplied by 100 or not? What is the 10% of 1224? 12.24 or not? What is the 10% of denominator? Is approximately percent or not? What is the 10% of denominator? 10%, 122.4 or not? 10% 122.4. What is the 1% value? 12.24 or not? 12.24. What is the numerator value? 144. Compared to 12, 144 almost how many times? 12 times or not? Then percentage also 12 times or not? What is the nearby value? 12% or not? More than 10% or less than 10%? More than 10%. What is the 1% value? 12.24. What is the numerator? 144. Almost how many times? 12 times or not? Then percentage also nearby 12 times value or not? Next 45. How many students prefer beverage B and E together or not? What is the B value? 57.6. What is the E value? 64.8. Both are adding. 60 plus 50, 110. 4 plus 7, 11. It is 121. 0.8 and 0.6. 1.4. Total it is 122.4 or not? This one we written 1224 by 3600 or not? Actually 122.4 by 360. This one we written 1224 by 3600. What is the 3600 value already given? 6800. Because 360 degrees represents how much? 6800. But we required how many degrees? 122.4 or not? 2 zeros are cancelled or not? Next 36 how many times? 1224. 36 3 is how much? 108. What is the remaining value? 14 or not? Means 144. How many times? 4 times or not? 34 into 68. Ending with 2 or not? Which option? First one. Question number 46. What is the left hand side value? Something into 23 divided by 13 equal to right hand side value 46 into 20 or not? First 23 how many times? 46. 2 times or not? 2 into 20, 40. It is right hand side value or not? But in left hand side what is the denominator? 13. It will become right hand side into 13 or not? Nothing but 40 into 13. How much? 520. Next. Question number 47. Minus 23, minus 34, minus 56. Left hand side negative values, it will become right hand side positive values or not? Okay. 56 plus 34, 90. 90 plus 23, 113. Positive 113 or not? In that how much value we are subtracting? 45. Minus 45 or plus 45? Minus 45. What is the remaining value? 68. Next. What is the cube root of 216? 6. Cube root of 343, 7. Cube root of 125, 5. 6 plus 7, 13. Minus 5, 8. Next. Under square root of 2401 means 49 into how much value? 15 plus something equal to 18 into 20 or not? 18 into 20 means how much? 360 or not? 360. What is the left hand side value? 49 into 15, but the right hand side value 360 or not? Obviously we are get the negative value or positive value? Negative value. 49 into 15 times means 15 40s and 15 9s are not. 15 40s means 600. 15 9s are 135. 600 plus 135, 735. In that how much value you are subtracting? 360. Minus 360 or plus 360? Minus 360. Actually we are get the negative value or positive value? Negative value. Then answer is negative value or not? 735 and 360 difference 375. Then answer are minus 375 or plus 375? Minus 375. If you are verify the units position 5, but possibilities are 2 options or only 1 option? 2 options. Next question number 50. What is the right hand side value? 12 cube. What is the 12 cube? 1728. Next, left hand side 6 how many times numerator? 3 times or not? 6 3s are 18. 3 into 19 into 25 or not? 3 into 19 into 25. 3 into 19 means 57. Into how much value? 25. 57 into 25. We are getting ending with 5 or not? Already right hand side ending value 8. 8 minus 5, 3. Ending with 3, how many options? Only 1 or not? Next. What is the 875 double? 1750. Nothing but 875 and 1750. Almost how many times? 2 times. 2 into 73. 146. Minus 877 plus 878. Difference plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. Then answer 147. .2 we written 22 by 10 or not? 22 by 10. 22 how many times? 44. 2 times or not? Again 5 how many times? 10. 2 times or not? 5 2s are 10. 165 means 5 how many times? 33 or not? 33. 33 by how much value? 4. 33 by 4 plus 871 minus 654.25 or not? Okay. 33 by 4 means 4 how many times? Almost 8 times. What is the remaining value? 1. 1 by 4 means we return 0.25 or not? 0.25. Plus 0.25 and minus 0.25 get cancelled or not? Next, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 4, 5 or not? Ending with 5, how many options? Only 1 or not? Verify the units position. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 4, 5 or not? Quadratic equations. X square plus 3x minus 70. What is the product value? Negative or positive? Negative. But some value positive. Means one root must be positive, another one are negative. 10 into, 3 are difference or not? Then we return plus 10 minus 7. Plus 10 minus 7. Those are initial roots or not? But final roots are minus 10 plus 7 or not? Next, second one, y equal to under root of 225 or not? Y equal to square root of 225. Then y value are how much? 15. Don't say plus or minus 15. Already square root are given or not. Then y equal to how much value? 15. Minus 15 compared to plus 15. Less. 7 compared to 15. Less. Then answer x less than y. Next. Question number 54. 3x square minus 13x minus 100 equal to 0. Second one, 3y square plus 31y plus 50 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of y square also 3. Equal coefficients are different. Equal. Then directly we are take the factors are final roots or not. Factors is also equal to final roots. What is the product in first equation? Minus 100. Sum will be minus 13. Means one root must be positive, another root are negative or not. Product are 3 into 100. How much? 300 or not. Product value 300, but sum value is how much? 13 or not. Okay. 300 means we return 25 into 4 times. 25 into 4 into 3 or not. 300 means 100 into 3. 100 means 25 into 4 or not. 4 3 is how much? 12. What is the remaining value? 25. Then minus 25 or plus 25? Minus 25 plus 12. Then x final roots we return 25 minus 12 or plus 12? Minus 12. Second one, 3 into 50 how much? 150. Product positive value, sum value also positive or not? Sum will be positive, product also positive. Then roots also positive roots or negative roots? Positive roots initially, but final roots are negative. 3 into 50, 150 means we return 25 into 6 or not? 25 into 6. Because 50 means we return 25 into 2 or not? What is the remaining value? 3. 2 into 3, 6. 25 into 6, it is 150 or not? Then y final roots we return minus 25, minus 6 or plus 6? Minus 6. Positive value compared to negative values greater or less? Greater. Minus 12 compared to minus 25? Greater. Minus 12 compared to minus 6? Less than. Then relation can't be determined or not. Next, 55. X square minus 90 equal to 54. Negative 90 becomes, it will be positive 90 or not? 54 plus 90, 144. X square equal to 144 means x value plus or minus or not? Plus or minus or not? Next, y square plus 40 equal to 236. Then y square equal to 196. Y equal to plus or minus or only positive? Plus or minus. X value are plus or minus, y value also plus or minus. Both values are plus or minus means relation are can't be determined. Which option? Fifth one. If both are plus or minus, directly we return can't be determined. Next, 56. Approximations. What is the first one? 14. Second one? 16 square. 16 square means 256. 256 minus 220. 36. 36 plus 14. 50. Then answer 50. Fifth option or not? Next question number 57. What is the first value? 13. Second one? 6. 13 6 78. Plus, what is the third value? 7. Fourth value? 9. What is the 9 square? 81. Into 7. 81 into 7 means 567 or not? 567. Adding or subtracting? Adding. 560 plus 70? 630. 8 plus 7? 15. Total it is 645. Next, 58. What is the first one? 7. Second one? 4. 7 4 the 28. Third value? 4. Fourth value? 5. 4 5 the 20. And last one? 12. 28 plus 12? 40 plus 20. 60 or not? Next, 59. What is the first one? 11 square. 11 square means 121. What is the second value? 5 plus 5 or not? Next, what is the third one? 3 square minus 9 or plus 9? Minus 9. What is the right hand side value? 8 square. 8 square means 64. Right hand side negative, but in left hand side positive. Plus 64 or minus 64? Plus 64. 121 plus 5? 126. 126 plus 64? 190 or not? 190 minus 9? 181. Next question number 60. What is the first one? 7. Denominator in first one? 6. 7 by 6 into 18. 6 almost how many times? 3 times. 7 3 is a 21. It is added to which one? 33. 21 plus 33. 54. Next 61. Table are given or not? 61 to 65 table. Data are given in thousands or hundreds? Thousands or not? Okay. Means every answer must be multiplied by 1000. Or the first question, the number of tickets to movie B sold in Hyderabad was approximately what percentage of the total number of tickets of the same movie sold in all the cities together or not? Or the B value in Hyderabad? 34. Next, is approximately what percentage of the total number of tickets of the same movie sold in all the cities or only one city? All the cities. Means vertical value or horizontal value? Vertical value. All the cities B value are adding or subtracting? Adding. First we are adding the tens positions or not? 10 plus 10, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 30, 90 plus 20, 110 or not? Next, after that units positions, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 4, 23 plus 7, 30 plus 30 or not? 110 plus 30, 140. 34 upon which value? 140. Converted to percent or not? Okay. 20 almost how many times denominator? 7. Numerator? 5 or not? 34 into 5 means 170 by how much value? 7 or not? 7 2s are 14. What is the remaining value? 30. 30 means almost 4 times. Which option? Fifth one. Or more than 20% or less than 20%? More than 20%. What is the 10% of denominator? 14. 20%? 28. But numerator more than 28 or not? Then answer also more than 20%. How many options? Only one. Next 62. What is the difference between the number of tickets of movie D sold in Kolkata and number of tickets of movie B sold in Lucknow? What is the D value in Kolkata? 21. B value Lucknow. What is the B value in Lucknow? 27. We require difference or not? What is the difference? 6. Then answer 6,000. Next 63. What is the average number of tickets of movie C sold in all the 6 cities or only one city? All the 6 cities. Means we are adding all the 6 cities values or not? After that average or not? Okay. First we are adding the tens positions or not? 30 plus 20, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 30, 90 plus 20, 110 plus 20, 130 plus, after that units positions, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 2 plus 6, 20, 2 or 3, 23, 23, 130 plus 23, 153 by 6 or not? We required average or not? 6 almost how many times? 25 or not? 625 is how much? 150. What is the remaining value? 3. Remaining value 3 or not? 3 means half of the 6 or not. Means we return 0.5. 25.5. Again it is multiplied by 10 cube or not. The answer 25500. Because data are given in thousands or not. If we return 255, 2 possibilities are not. Okay, then it is multiplied by 10 cube or 10 square. 10 cube. Data are given thousands or not. Next question number 64. The number of tickets of movie E sold in Chennai is what percentage of the number of tickets of movie A sold in Mumbai or not? What is the E value in Chennai? 34. A value in Mumbai? 20. 2 how many times 20? 10 times. 2 how many times 34? 17 times or not? Suppose 10 parts we are consider 100%. Then 17 parts are how much? 170% or not? Answer 170%. వద్దులే చూడండి 34/20 into 100. Okay, 20 almost how many times? 5 times. సీరియస్గా ఇట్లా చూస్తున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ 65. In which city was the total number of tickets of all the 5 movies together sold is the minimum or maximum? Minimum. మిగతా 4 క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఎంతైతే టైం తీసుకున్నామో ఈ క్వశ్చన్కి అంత టైం పడుతుంది. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్లో అయితే స్కిప్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. మన దగ్గరే కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు కదా, ఖచ్చితంగా మాట్లాడుకోవాలి. సరే, ఇన్ విచ్ సిటీ వాజ్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టికెట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద 5 మూవీస్ టుగెదర్ సోల్డ్ ఈజ్ ద మినిమమ్ ఆర్ మ్యాక్సిమమ్? Minimum. First option is Delhi or not? Okay. Horizontal adding or vertical adding? Horizontal or not? 17 plus 21, 17 plus 19. First we are adding the tens position or not? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 20, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 20, 80 or not? Next, after that units positions or not? 7 plus 9, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 5, 22 plus 8, 30 plus 30 or not? Total it is 110. It is the Delhi value or not? Next, and one more, Chennai. Chennai means 18, 21, 32, 28, 34 or not? First 32 plus 28, 60. 60 plus 34, 94. 94 plus 21, 115. 115 plus 18, 133 or not? 133. That is the Chennai or not? Next, again Lucknow. 15, 27, 20, 35, 26 or not? 15 plus 35, 50 plus 20, 70 or not? 70. 27 plus 26, 27 plus 26, 53. Already 70. Total it is 123. That 123 are Lucknow or Kolkata? Lucknow. Next one, Kolkata. Kolkata means 32, 24, 19, 21 and 17 or not? 19 plus 21, 40. 40 plus 24, 64 plus 32, 96. 96 plus 17, 113 or not? That 113 are which one? Kolkata or not? Next, and last one, Hyderabad. 16 plus 34, 50. 50 plus 20, 50 plus 26, 76. 76 plus 29, 105. 105 plus 22, 127 or not? 127 is the which one? Hyderabad or not? Which city is the minimum? Delhi or not? Okay,